The following message is to Khabib Nurmagomedov. In the hopes of reaching you, we ask of you to kindly listen to our message, which is the message of Islam, the religion of hope, of peace, of tranquility, and of success. You are a man who has reached and witnessed so much success in various aspects of your life, be it in your professional career, or in your health, or in your financial stability. But no man is able to achieve such success without the help and mercy of Allah, the Most Merciful.
قال يا قوم أرأيتم إن كنت على بينة من ربي ورزقني منه رزقا حسنا وما أريد أن أخالفكم إلى ما أنهاكم عنه إن أريد إلا الإصلاح ما استطعت وما توفيقي إلا بالله عليه توكلت وإليه أنيب.
That is the message of Islam, that true success can only come from Allah, and only Allah can give success to whosoever He pleases. And success does not only entail materialistic achievements, such as marriage, or having a large amount of wealth, or becoming the most powerful and most popular individual. However, it also entails the success in the afterlife.
المال والبنون زينة الحياة الدنيا والباقيات الصالحات خير عند ربك ثوابا وخير أملا.
So if Allah is the one who grants us success, is it not reasonable for us to seek the pleasure of Allah? After all, He is the one who feeds when we are hungry. He is the one who allows us to rest when we are tired. He is the one who clothed us to cover our bodies. And He is the one who created us, and we will undoubtedly return to Him. So how can we acquire the success and blessings of Allah? Well, Allah asks us to do one simple thing.
إنني أنا الله لا إله إلا أنا فاعبدني وأقم الصلاة لذكري.
In order to achieve Allah's pleasure and to be showered by His mercy and success, we must worship Allah alone and not associate any partners with Him. The act of worshiping idols, hanging paintings on our walls, asking help from other individuals or graves, or any other deity other than Allah, is what we call shirk, and it is considered to be the most evil sin any human being can possibly commit. In other words, shirk is the Arabic equivalent of polytheism, which is to associate any quality that belongs to Allah alone with an individual, living being, or false deity. This is the true message of Islam, which is also the message of Muhammad Qasim, the Imam Mahdi. Muhammad Qasim is a man from Pakistan who has received hundreds of dreams from Allah regarding the end of times, events that would lead to World War III, and how to worship Allah alone. In one of Muhammad Qasim's dreams, Allah tells Qasim, "This world has never been filled with shirk or polytheism as it is today." If you look at the current state of this world, you can only conclude that this world has indeed been filled with so much evilness and polytheism. The statues that we create with our own hands, the clothes with depictions of living beings, the large billboards and advertisements that are publicly displayed to the people, or the social media outlets that are designed for one to display his own status and wealth. All these are various forms of shirk, which not only denies us from the success of Allah, but may lead to His anger and punishment as well. Both the message of Islam and the message of Muhammad Qasim and his followers are the same, which is to abolish or destroy any form of shirk in our lives in order to gain success from Allah. For these reasons, we, the followers of Muhammad Qasim, have started to claim that he is the Imam Mahdi, while he himself does not make this claim. And we are not just from one country. We are from various nations across the world and across various different continents, united to support Muhammad Qasim and to spread his dreams to the world. Regardless of our ethnic differences, Allah has united us together to support the Imam Mahdi, Muhammad Qasim. The Imam Mahdi, in case you did not know, is an Islamic personality who will appear near the end of the world. We as Muslims believe that this personality, who we call the Imam Mahdi, will be a descendant of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This man will come to rectify the state of the world, and by the will of Allah, he will eliminate any form of corruption or evilness in this world. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "If only one day of this world remained, Allah would raise up a man from my family who would fill this earth with justice as it has been filled with oppression." This is a saying of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, stating that the Mahdi will be his descendant and that he will remove any injustice in this world. And as we have said earlier, there is no greater act of injustice in Islam than that of associating partners with Allah. And so the Imam Mahdi and Muhammad Qasim share the same mission, which is to remove shirk. And that is why we are claiming that Muhammad Qasim is the true Imam Mahdi. We have tried to contact famous scholars and personalities, but unfortunately their response was only to ridicule us and to mock our message.
So brothers and sisters, it's a topic of conversation online. Has the Mahdi emerged in Pakistan? The Mahdi, Imam Mahdi, who's going to bring justice to the earth. Subhanallah. The Imam Mahdi who's going to rule on earth. The Imam Mahdi who's going to come at the same time, the same period as Isa alayhi salam. Has he emerged in Pakistan? He has not. He has not emerged, brothers and sisters.
It is fake, it is false, it is laughable, it is ridiculous, it is absolute nonsense.
We therefore turn to you that perhaps Allah may make you the voice of reason and help spread the dreams of Muhammad Qasim. And this video is not solely dedicated to Khabib, but to everyone who is watching this video, as you have not coincidentally stumbled upon this video, but it is Allah who guided you here. And may Allah continue to guide us all.
إنك لا تهدي من أحببت ولكن الله يهدي من يشاء وهو أعلم بالمهتدين.